In this video, I'd like to discuss the reprographics sheet print product. At first, we'll go through entering in an estimate using the product, and then we'll discuss some of the basic functionality. If we're in control within system, within a new estimate, once you've filled in the company and the description, under reprographics, you'll come to the reprographics sheet product. You'll want to enter the number of sets being ordered and the number of originals or pages within each set, whether it's single or double-sided, the image height and width, the machine it's being printed on, and what print mode, such as black and white, color, or photographic. If it's double-sided, you could choose color on one side and black and white on the other. How it was received, such as are you scanning these documents in, or have you received it as a digital file? The file type, such as JPEG, etc., you could type in additional or add them to the list. And how many files that have been received, whether it came in as one file or multiple files, or if you're scanning to a single file or multiple files. If it was received other than a scan, how it was received, or if they're dropping them off. The location, material type that it's being printed on, such as cardstock or standard bond papers, and then the material itself. If it's going to be laminated, and if it needs to be cut out. Next on the right, we have your pricing method. This product can be set up as either cost-based or area-based pricing methods. And then the number of scans, if this is being scanned in, what scanner is being used. And it may be built into the printer in some situations, and then you could use just the included printer. How many scans? There are 20 originals, and it assumes it will be scanned in the same mode that it's being printed, and a document identification number. If we needed to add any bindery, such as folding, you just choose the machine and then the type of folding being done. Same with the bindery and creasing and perforation. If you need to add any gaps or margins between images, do it on the layout data. The add-ons, for any additional add-ons that you'd like to use in modifiers, and preview the videos on modifiers or add-ons for more information. And the info is how it's being laid out. We're only fitting one image size per piece of material. So therefore, it's going to require 200 pages. Now once this is done, hit OK here. You can then go in and save this and add it as an estimate and print it out. If we look at how some of this is created as far as some of the functionality, within the paper itself, we're viewing the part, in the reprographics tab, and this can also be done on the adjust part information screen in your setup. On the scanner itself, it's looking for setup, one time if area-based, and a time if cost-based. How fast can it scan, and your charges per scan. On the actual paper, you can either do cost-based, where you're just adding your costing, as well as you can add a table if you'd like, which breaks it up by quantity in different images and your price per page, or per impression, and then your substrate price per page. So if it's double-sided, that would generally be 2 impressions, then adding in your substrate price. You can also connect it to additional tables, such as lookup tables in the system, and for further information in that, please review other videos using the lookup tables. That concludes our video on the reprographics sheet product. If you have any further questions, please contact the CS Implementation Department. Thank you.